Good girl, you're standing up. What a clever girl. Lily, what a clever girl. Whoops! Timber! But you stood up. You did it! You can do it again? Oh, I think I'll just eat my stool, Mom. Thanks, though. Gonna show everybody again? Not so much. Come on, girl. You can do it. Lily gonna pull herself up. Gonna pull yourself up, sweet? Come on. You just did it. There you go, big girl. Big girl, yay! Look at you. What a good girl you are. See what that spells? That spells Lily. L-I-L-Y. Good girl. We love you, Lily. We love you. Whoopsie. Good fall. That was a good fall right on your bum. Good girl. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everyone. Bye, Grandma. Bye, Poppy and Nettie. Love you.